All right. I have no idea what this is. I bought it because I thought the design looked really cool. And so it caught my eye. Ajwad. Lattafa Ajwad. Man, one of these days I'm going to learn how to say these. For now, I know I'm butchering the heck out of them. Sad thing is I'll probably learn and I'll still mess them up. So, you know how to say it? Comments below. Let me know. Oh, of course, by then it'll be too late. The video will have already happened. But hey, the follow-up when I tell you how good it is, maybe I'll remember. Man, I'm telling you, I was much better opening these at the beginning of this haul. This is number 7, and I'm getting bad. All right, wowza. So you can smell the fragrance through the box. In fact, this is, I got leakage. Look at that. Dang it. Fudge, it's all over my hands. Yeah. Oh, that's nasty. Pull tab broke. Oh, this is gross. Oh, this is really gross. Oh my gosh. This is busted. This leaked all over. The cap broke. It is empty. Oh man. Top came off. This is vile. Oh, this is so sick. I mean, I gotta say, it's a cool cover, although it's shredding. Dang. Dang, Blaine. Oh, it doesn't even smell that great. Kind of smells gross. Is there anything in here? Hardly anything. Yeah, that's not even good. I don't like that. It is very floral, very sweet. I'm gonna have to let Joe Shop know this and get a replacement. Oh, look at that. Oh, it is coming all over the place. That is gross. That is so gross. All right, well, I remember watching Gent Sense do video openings and he's like, oh, it broke all over the place. I'm like, whatever, that's never happening to me. And it just happened. So sweet. Well, fragrance number 7 is a dud. I don't know if it's the fragrance's fault, shipping's fault, or Lattafa's fault, but I will send out an email. This is Nubs Fragrances. Hopefully 8 and 9 are much better.